my name is Jonathan O'Brien, and I'm presenting Flash App. Here's what I'll be covering in the next 10 minutes. Meet the persona, user flows, wireframes, prototypes, failure and fixes, learned. Meet the proto-persona, also known as Jamie. He is 47, a business owner, and lives in upstate New York. Jamie spends a lot of time traveling by vehicle for work and lives a very busy and versatile life. Jamie needs a quick and efficient method to learn new vocabulary. He needs a process that doesn't involve too much thinking and easy to use. His goal is to simply search a word he doesn't know and study it quickly with his busy schedule. The problem Jamie has is he needs a way to expand vocabulary and to be able to use these words in work-related or non-work-related situations, because communication is half the business. My solution to his problem is to design an app for Jamie with simple interfaces that allow the storage of words with sounds, definitions, and I will help him achieve his goal of easily learning new vocabulary for conversational use at any time. User flows. Now let's look at the process I will go through to solve Jamie's problem. First, I need to create a layout of how I want my app to function to help solve Jamie's problem. I used a user flow to use the steps that users would go through while using my app, for being a new user to saving a flashcard. My second user flow takes you through the process of how you would create a study schedule to help users like Jamie fit in time in their busy schedules. Wireframes. To create my wireframes, I use the Crazy 8 method. This is where I create the looks of my app and the button layouts that fit the user I'm creating for. I want to keep them engaged with my app, so the looks and the way buttons function is crucial. Wireframes 2 and 3 have ideas I like and ideas I'm not really fond of. To distinguish the ones I like best from the rest, I put a red dot to symbolize sketch ideas I felt were best for my users. Prototypes. I use Marvel apps to design a paper prototype and construct an interview off these prototypes to get feedback from multiple users to help improve the functionality of my app. In my paper prototype, I included the login, onboarding, home screen, how to create a flashcard, and create a study schedule. I then observed the user's body language and their actions while clicking through my prototype. This was where I gave my interviewees tasks to accomplish to maximize the feedback I got from the users about my prototype. Failure and fixes. While going through the process of designing a suitable app for my persona, I encountered many setbacks, errors, and even failures. One setback, for instance, is that all my interviewers could not sign up and did not have the option to do so. This is a big problem because this feature is for the safety of the user's work and privacy. Another problem all interviewers had or wanted was the ability to edit or look at their profile, which I did not add because it did not interfere with the user's making of a flashcard or study schedule. But without the feedback from the interviewees, I wouldn't have known that this is what users and more like them would want to see in a vocabulary app. One catastrophic failure I had was that I had to completely scratch an idea because I felt it didn't suit my persona and help to solve his problems. So I persevered and went back and added the sign up option. Then I also added a way to check out your profile to please my users because I felt it's important to deliver a product that functions great and pleases the users. Learned. I have learned that there are many processes to creating an app of any kind to please a user. Every method and step is necessary to accomplish your goal of solving a problem for the users. I have learned the mistakes and failures are inevitable while creating an app, and not every person or user in the world will agree with your ideas. So be open to changes and adjustments to better the user's experience with your app. Ultimately, it's all about how you can better the experience the user has with your product and how you can modify your product to be the best version of itself. Thank you for listening.